Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0562 stands for Charging System Low Voltage, indicating that the vehicle's electrical system is not receiving adequate voltage from the alternator. This code is significant as it affects the vehicle's ability to maintain battery charge and power essential electrical components. The alternator plays a critical role by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy to charge the battery and power the vehicle's electrical systems. If the alternator isn't functioning properly, it can lead to various issues such as difficulty starting, dimming lights, or complete electrical failure. In this presentation, we will go through comprehensive troubleshooting steps to accurately diagnose and address the DTC P0562 on Honda Accords from the years 2017 to 2023. It is crucial to follow a systematic approach to ensure that the actual cause of the problem is identified and rectified. The DTC P0562 indicates a charging system malfunction, specifically referring to low voltage output from the alternator. The alternator is responsible for generating electrical power while the vehicle is running and maintaining the battery charge. The +B terminal of the alternator must be connected securely to ensure proper voltage delivery. A loose or corroded connection at this terminal can lead to inadequate voltage, triggering the P0562 code. This error may prevent the battery from charging effectively, causing additional electrical problems in the vehicle's performance. The alternator is typically located at the front of the engine and is easily accessible for inspections. Understanding the role of the alternator and associated terminals is vital for proper diagnosis of this issue. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P0562 being stored in the vehicle's computer system. One common cause is a loose terminal on the alternator, specifically the +B terminal, which can disrupt the flow of electricity. If this terminal is not firmly connected, it will result in insufficient voltage output. Another possibility is that the alternator itself is faulty, impeding its ability to produce the necessary voltage for charging the battery. Corroded connections, either at the alternator or at the underhood fuse/relay box, can also inhibit proper voltage transfer, leading to this diagnostic trouble code. Each of these issues needs to be examined carefully as part of the troubleshooting process to determine the accurate cause of the low voltage in the charging system. When the DTC P0562 is set, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms indicative of a malfunction in the charging system. Dim or flickering lights, both interior and exterior, are common initial signs, as inadequate voltage affects the vehicle's electrical systems. Additionally, difficulty starting the vehicle may occur due to insufficient voltage reaching the starter motor, which can lead to a no-start condition. Electrical failures, including non-functioning dashboard warning lights or erratic behavior of electronic components, can sometimes manifest as the problem progresses. These symptoms serve as critical indicators that point towards the underlying issue with the alternator or its connections, reinforcing the need for timely diagnosis and repair of the DTC P0562. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0562 involves preparing the vehicle and utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System HDS appropriately. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, ensuring that all systems are engaged and ready for testing. Next, use the HDS to clear the existing DTCs from the system, which resets the error codes and allows for fresh readings. After clearing the codes, start the engine and let it idle without any load to create a stable baseline, CVT in park or neutral for manual transmission. This idling period is essential to allow the alternator to stabilize and produce voltage without any interference. It is important to maintain this state for at least 1 minute before proceeding to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs, once again using the HDS. After completing the first troubleshooting step, it's crucial to verify the presence of DTCs once again using the HDS. The aim here is to identify if DTC P0562 is still being registered in the vehicle's computer system. If the code reappears, it indicates that the failure has been duplicated, confirming that there is indeed an issue with the charging system. In this event, repair or replacement of the alternator is necessary to resolve the underlying problem. Conversely, if DTC P0562 is not indicated, this suggests it may be an intermittent failure, meaning the system is operational at the moment. In such cases, it's vital to check for poor connections or loose terminals at the +B terminal on the alternator and the underhood fuse relay box, as these may contribute to the irregular behavior of the charging system. Once repairs are made to address DTC P0562, it's essential to perform a final verification of the repair's effectiveness. This involves testing the alternator's function to ensure it operates within the manufacturer's specified voltage output parameters. Additionally, utilize the HDS to perform another check for DTCs, confirming that P0562 is no longer present in the system. If the code does not return, it validates that the repair has succeeded and the charging system is functioning correctly. It's also beneficial to conduct a brief road test, observing the vehicle's electrical performance under typical driving conditions to further ascertain that the issue has been completely resolved. These steps ensure that the fix is not only effective but sustainable, contributing to the continued reliability of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is essential to prolong the life of the alternator and mitigate issues related to DTC P0562. Regular checks of the alternator can identify signs of wear or failure before they lead to significant problems. Inspecting connections routinely, especially at critical points like the +B terminal, can help catch any signs of corrosion or looseness early. Keeping these terminals clean and free of corrosion is vital, as buildup can impede the flow of electricity and lead to low voltage situations. Additionally, performing routine maintenance on the battery, such as terminal cleaning and checking for any signs of weakness, contributes to the overall health of the vehicle's charging system. Proactive measures provide peace of mind, ensuring that the vehicle remains in optimal running condition. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0562 is crucial for any vehicle technician or owner. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps not only aids in accurate diagnosis, but also in effectively resolving the underlying issues related to low voltage in the charging system. Proper diagnosis helps prevent inconveniences, such as electrical system failures or difficulty starting the vehicle, which can be caused by an underperforming alternator. Regular maintenance plays a fundamental role in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's charging system. By staying vigilant about the health of the alternator and related connections, you can maintain optimal performance, ensuring that the vehicle remains safe and reliable for everyday use. Proper adherence to this comprehensive guide will lead to a systematic approach towards rectifying DTC P0562. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.